Hello everyone, this is MANGALIK Mitra from section 16. My roll number is 20CE10034. This week's assignment is to simulate two systems. The first of which is using the temperature and humidity sensor. We'll open the sample for that, which is number 22 over here. This is the source code of the sample, and this is the schematic capture which shows already the circuit. This is the Arduino Uno board. So we'll add the conditions for the LED blinking in the code. Firstly, we have been asked to get the output at pin 13, so we'll add that line. Then we'll have to add the conditions for LED blinking in the loop function. I've already written that bit of code. Let me copy and paste it. What this code basically says is that when the temperature is less than equal to 15 degrees or greater than equal to 28 degrees, in that condition, if the humidity is less than 25%, then the LED should blink for 1 second, and if the humidity is greater than 60%, the LED should blink for 0.5 seconds. Let me now build this code. Yes, the code has been compiled successfully. Now let us simulate the result of the code. Let us first change the temperature values to arbitrary values. Let the humidity be 80, make the temperature 29. So in this condition, according to the code, the LED should blink for 0.5 seconds. Let us simulate it. As you can see, the LED was on for 0.5 seconds. First, let's stop the simulation. Then let us change the humidity to something less than 25. Let it be 24. Now if I simulate this, you can see the LED light was on for 1 second. So the first simulation is done. Now for the second system, we have to use the example Arduino RGB common cathode LED to generate a continuous wave at digital pin 13 and observe the signal using the oscilloscope. So let us open the required sample. Here is the schematic capture of the sample. The circuit is already made. We just have to connect this D cable to this 13th port. Now we have to add the specifications of the waves in the source code. Firstly, we want the output at pin 13, so we'll add the code for that. Then we don't need all this. Instead, we need the specifications of the wave as given in the assignment. I have written that in this notepad. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Okay, now let me build project. The code is compiled successfully. Now let us simulate it and observe the signal in the oscilloscope. Let us first change the AC signal to DC and this to 200 milliseconds. Thus you can see the signal has started. That was the first part of the wave. Then comes the second part of the wave, and here's the third part of the wave. This whole cycle loops infinitely. Each cycle repeats after 8.25 seconds. And that's it for today. Thank you.